привет! Это канал Start Russian. Добро пожаловать к нам на канал. In this video we will talk about Russian cuisine, Русская национальная кухня, and this is the first part in the sequence about Russian food. And guys, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel and see our social media. I would really appreciate it. So there are different categories which Russian cuisine embraces. So let's read them. First of all, супы, soups. Вторые блюда, main courses. Выпечка, pastries. Закуски, appetizers. Салаты, salads. Напитки, drinks. Сладости к чаю, sweets. And in the first part, in this video, we will talk about супы, закуски и салаты. So let's start with appetizers, закуски. Russian people love some salt fermented foods. Yeah, and here is pickled cucumbers. We have two types. Маринованные огурцы, that means they are cooked in vinegar. And соленые огурцы, they are just left in the salt and with a little of vinegar. The same refers to соленые помидоры, to pickled tomatoes, and we also have маринованные помидоры. Yeah, and they are conserved for a long time, and you can eat them even after 2-3 years after they've been cooked like that. Маринованные грибы, pickled mushrooms. Yeah, another thing is квашеная капуста, sour cabbage, is again a salt fermented cabbage. And another appetizer is a кабачковая икра. It is square spread, but literally translated like courgette caviar. So some people, some foreigners come to the shop and see кабачковая икра, and it's so cheap. Oh my god, great! I'm gonna try it. But there is no caviar in it. It's just vegetables like courgette, tomatoes, peppers, and they're all mixed together, and we get кабачковая икра. Now, other appetizers is a salted fish, so different types of fish are taken, and we add some salt, and we leave it in a fridge, or not in a fridge, it doesn't matter. So, and we wait for 2 or 3 days, and after that we can take this fish and just eat, and it's not cooked, it's a raw fermented fish. Yeah, and one of the most famous types is a селедка, соленая сельдь. This is a raw herring pickled in salt. It's a very popular for New Year's feast. And another thing is a копченая рыба, smoked fish, or вяленая рыба, you can say, or сушеная рыба. That means the same, and it's really a popular snack for beer. Russians love it. It's a dried fish. Okay, the same thing is a вяленое мясо. So it's like a dried meat or jerked meat. It can be left like, traditionally it was left under the sun for several days in summer, and after that you could eat it. Okay, another popular specialty in Slavic countries is a sala. This is a cured pork fat. So this is a slabs of fatback and really belly of pork. And the last snack, last appetizer, is Khaladiyat or studень. This is a meat jelly. So I'm gonna tell more about its cooking. First of all, you need a leg of cow, pig, or chicken. Yeah. And after that, you boil it for 5-6 hours in water. Yeah, the worst thing about cooking Khaladiyat and its smell, it really stinks. Yeah, and it stinks in all the house, you know. Yeah, and after that you add meat and spices. So добавить мясо и специи. So traditional ones are laurel bees, pepper, and salt. Yeah, and after that you mix them. You mix with jelly, and you add meat, spices, and you leave it in the fridge for 5-7 hours in different forms, and till it freezes. So it freezes, you see it looks like a jelly, and we don't need gelatin there, and it becomes jelly because of a leg of cow, pig, or chicken. Yeah, it might be halal, so try it. Don't be afraid. Yeah, let's move to salad. Salati. Of course, we have different international, popular, famous salads like Greek salad, греческий salad, or Caesar salad. But let's see some traditional ones. First of all, this is оливье, or it's also called зимний salad, like winter salad. And it's not like Russian salad. It's traditional one. It's always cooked during the New Year, and I don't think that you will find a house where you don't find оливье on a table on the night of New Year, on the 31st of December. Yeah, so let's see what it consists from. Peas, potatoes, зеленый горох, картошка, лук, onions, морковь, and carrots. Of course, it's boiled, cooked. Колбаса, sausage. Огурцы, cucumber, or you also can add salted, pickled cucumbers. Яйца, eggs, and salad dressing is mayonnaise or smetana, sour cream. Another interesting salad is крабовый салат, crab and salad. So it consists of corns, кукуруза, яйца, eggs, rice, onions, лук, зелень, some green plants, like parsley, огурцы, cucumber, крабовые палочки, the main ingredient is a crab sticks, and mayonnaise traditionally. And another really good one, a good salad, it's a шуба, or another name is сельдь, but шубой. Actually, шуба is translated like fur coat, which we wear during winter, but it has no reference to that. Okay, first of all, it consists of different layers, so one layer after another, and between the layers we add some mayonnaise. So the first layer is соленая сельдь, that's salted herring, лук, onion, картофель, boiled potatoes, морковь, carrots, яйца, eggs, вареная свекла, you see the red one, beets, и майонез. Easy, and it's really tasty. I love it. And now let's move to soups. Супы. Yeah, first of all, I would like you to tell the basic recipe of Russian soup, or Tatar soup, of course. Yeah. So we take meat. It might be beef, chicken, doesn't matter. We boil it for some time till it's cooked. For beef, it's 2 hours. And we call it bouillon. And to this bouillon, we add some vegetables like potatoes and carrots and onions. These are the 3 main ingredients. And to this bouillon, we add different flavors. So in case of she, we add cabbage, so it becomes cabbage soup. So in case of борщ, beet soup, we add beets and cabbage. Yeah. And рассольник, to this basic bouillon we add some pickled cucumbers, and another one is pearled barley. This is the green. Yeah, it's a really good one, a healthy one. And here's a солянка, with Russian thistle. Yeah, and to this солянка we add almost everything what you have in your fridge. So to the basic recipe we add some sausages, olives, some dried fruit. Yeah, like dried apricots. Yeah, and maybe a bit of lemon. Yeah, or tomatoes. Like tomatoes, the sauce is necessary here. Yeah, солянка. Okay, another type of food is made of fish. So уха. This is a fish broth. So you cook the fish and with different vegetables. It's really popular when somebody goes fishing and brings the fish to home, and the whole family enjoys. Or we cook it even near the river or the lake. It's a great one. And another unusual soup is окрошка. Yeah, it's one of the favorite soups which we have for many Russians. Yeah, and it consists of zimny salad. Yeah, do you remember the previous slide where we had zimny salad, the Russian salad? So we take Russian salad, we add kvass there. So kvass is a traditional drink, mildly alcoholic, but anyway, it's sugary. Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah, and after that we add a bit of salt. Yeah, and you just mix it and you get окрошка. Yeah, this is the soup, and it's really popular during the summer. So guys, that's all for today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me please in the comments, would you like to try any Russian specialties? So guys, follow us everywhere, see our website, subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you next time.